Hello Dubai, are you ready? A step together with the innovative vision of the UAE government. A group of professionals with decades of experience in the typing and PRO fields are now functional at the heart of Dubai city. DesireLink Typing Services, your official partner. An authorized Emirates ID center with all kinds of documentation processing services now opened at office number GO5 Al Tire building located between Dubai Mall Metro Station and Al Mazaya Center, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai. DesireLink Typing Services, your official partner.